Hey everyone, welcome back to Asher Speaks. This is episode 19. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. My name is Asher, and I create simple, natural English conversations to help beginners like you speak English confidently in real-life situations. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this journey with me. Today, I have my good friend Tara joining me again. We're going to have a relaxed chat about something that makes many new gym goers feel nervous: asking for help at the gym. Tara, say hello to our friends.
Hi everyone, I'm Tara. I'm really happy to be back on Asher Speaks. Thanks for having me again, Asher. I always have fun recording these episodes with you.
Of course, you always bring great energy. Okay guys, before we jump into the main topic, let's do a little small talk. Tara, how's your morning going so far?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early, had my usual cup of coffee, and did some light stretching at home. The weather is nice today, so I feel motivated. But honestly, while I was getting ready, I started thinking about this topic. It brought back memories from when I first joined the gym. I was so shy.
Oh yeah? Tell me more about that. What happened on your first day?
Well, I walked into the gym feeling excited, but also a little scared. There were so many machines everywhere. Some people were lifting heavy weights, others were running on treadmills. I stood there for a few minutes just looking around. I wanted to ask someone for help, but I didn't know what words to use. My heart was beating fast. I felt like everyone was watching me, even though they probably weren't.
I know exactly what you mean. Many of our viewers are probably nodding their heads right now. A lot of people want to start going to the gym to get healthier and stronger, but the language part makes them hesitate. That's why we made this episode, to make it easier and more natural for you.
Yes, exactly. So today we're going to talk about how to ask for help politely and confidently at the gym using simple English.
If you're a beginner in English or a beginner at the gym, don't worry. We're going to go slow, repeat the important phrases, and make them sound like real conversations between friends. All right, let's start with the most common situation. You walk into the gym and you see a machine you want to use, but someone is near it. How do you politely check if it's free?
You can say something simple like, "Excuse me, are you still using this machine?" Or even more casual, "Hey, is this machine taken?"
Excuse me, are you still using this? That's very polite. What do you think people usually answer?
If they are still using it, they might say, "Yeah, sorry, I'm still using it," or "I'll be finished in about 5 minutes." If it's free, they'll probably smile and say, "No, go ahead," or "It's all yours."
It's all yours. I like that one. It sounds friendly and welcoming. Now, let's say you want to use a machine, but you have no idea how it works. You feel confused and a bit embarrassed. What can you say?
You can start with, "Hi, I'm new here. Could you help me with this machine?" Or, "Excuse me, could you show me how to use this?"
I really like adding "I'm new here." It tells the other person that you're a beginner, and most people at the gym are happy to help beginners. Americans usually like to be helpful. Let me share a quick personal story. A few weeks ago, I was at the gym trying a new shoulder press machine. I was doing it wrong without realizing it. A guy next to me noticed and politely said, "Hey man, mind if I give you a quick tip?" I was so glad he spoke up. I learned the correct way and thanked him.
That's nice. So if you want to offer help to someone, you can say, "Need a hand?" or "Want me to show you how to do that?"
Yes, need a hand is short and very natural. It means, do you need help?
What if you're the one who needs help with weights or form? For example, you want to try squatting, but you're worried about hurting your back.
Good example. You can say, "Excuse me, I'm new to this. Can you watch my form for a second?" Or, "Could you show me the correct way to squat?"
Another useful phrase is, "Hi, could you help me adjust the weight on this machine? I'm not sure how much to start with."
Perfect. Starting with light weights is always smart. Safety comes first. Let's practice a full short conversation together. I'll be the helpful gym member, and Tara, you be the new person.
Okay, here we go. "Excuse me. Hi, I'm new here. Could you help me with the squat rack? I'm not sure if my form is correct."
Sure, no problem at all. What's worrying you?
"I don't want to hurt my back. Can you show me the right position?"
Absolutely. Keep your chest up, back straight, and go down slowly like this. See? How does that feel?
Oh, that feels much better. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
See how easy and natural that was? You don't need long, complicated sentences. Just be polite and honest.
Yes, and notice how I said, "Thank you so much," and "I really appreciate your help." Those words make the other person feel good.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about another common situation, asking for a spot.
For those who don't know, spotting means someone watches you while you lift heavy weights, so they can help if you get stuck.
That's important for safety. You can say, "Hi, sorry to bother you. Could you spot me on the bench press?" Or shorter, "Would you mind giving me a spot?"
Both are good. If the person agrees, you can add, "Just watch me for 8 repetitions, please."
I remember the first time I asked for a spot. My voice was shaking a little, but the lady was super nice. She even gave me extra tips after I finished.
That's the beauty of it. When you ask nicely, people often give you more help than you expected. Let's imagine you can't find something in the gym. For example, the water fountain or the towel station.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the nearest water fountain?" Or, "Do you know where I can get a clean towel?"
Simple and clear. Another one. "Hi, I'm looking for the cardio area. Is it on this floor or upstairs?"
What if the person is wearing headphones? Should we still ask?
Good question. If they have headphones on, they might be focused on their workout. But if you really need help, you can say, "Excuse me," clearly, and wait. Most people will take one earbud out and listen. Just be respectful and keep it short.
Hey friends, here's an important reminder. Almost every person you see at the gym who looks confident was once a beginner too. They also felt nervous. They also asked for help. So don't feel embarrassed. That's so true. I used to think everyone was judging me, but actually, most people are focused on their own workout, and many are happy to help because they remember how it felt to be new.
Yes, asking for help shows that you are serious about learning and staying safe. It's actually a sign of intelligence, not weakness. Let's practice one more situation. You want someone to take a short video of your exercise so you can check your form later.
You can say, "Excuse me, would you mind taking a quick 10-second video of me? I want to check my form." Or even simpler, "Hey, could you record me doing this exercise for a few seconds?"
It might feel a bit funny at first, but it's very useful. Many people do this now.
After they help you, always end with thanks. You can say, "Thanks a lot. You really helped me today. I appreciate it so much."
A smile and eye contact also make your thank you stronger.
Let's do a quick review of the most useful phrases for this episode. Listen and repeat after us if you can. "Excuse me, are you still using this?" "Hi, I'm new here. Can you help me?" "Could you show me how to use this machine?" "Need a hand?" "Could you spot me, please?" "Would you mind giving me a spot?" "Excuse me, where is the water fountain?" "Thanks so much. I really appreciate your help."
Practice these phrases at home in front of the mirror. Say them slowly and clearly. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel when you're actually at the gym.
Another tip, if you make a small mistake, like dropping a weight or using the machine wrong, you can say, "Oops, my bad," or "Sorry about that. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes."
The gym is not just about building muscles. It's also about building confidence in your body and in your English.
That's a beautiful point. So, what's the main takeaway from today's conversation?
Don't be afraid to ask for help at the gym. Use short, polite, and honest sentences. Start with "Excuse me" or "Hi, I'm new here." Smile, be respectful, and always say thank you. Most people are kind and willing to help. Yes, remember, every expert was once a beginner. The gym is a friendly place when you know how to communicate. If you try these phrases next time you go to the gym, you will feel much more relaxed. You might even make a new friend. All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of episode 19. If you enjoyed this conversation, please do 3 things for us. Give this video a thumbs up, like, leave a comment below, tell us what is the most difficult thing for you at the gym, or which situation you want us to cover next. Share this video with your friends or family members who are learning English or planning to join a gym. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that big red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode of Asher Speaks.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching until the end. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing great.
We'll see you in the next episode. Stay healthy, stay confident, and keep speaking English.
Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone.